Hello children, welcome to the second part of our chapter articles. We have already discussed about indefinite articles a and n in the first part of the chapter. Today we will discuss about definite article the.
Children, the is called definite article and it can be used before singular or plural and uncountable nouns. We do not use the before proper nouns such as names of human beings, animals, cities, countries, etc. Here are some rules for the use of the in the sentences. The first thing is the is used with the names of the countries and continents. If the country is made up of different parts or if the name is taken from common nouns, then we use the article the and say like the UK, the USA. In the same way, when we are speaking about continents and islands, if the name is made up of different parts, then we use definite article the. The next thing is that we use the article the with the words breakfast, lunch and dinner. It means when it comes to eating in general, the article is not being used. But if we are speaking about a particular breakfast, lunch or dinner, then we use article the. Before the proper nouns, when it is qualified by an adjective, we use article the before a proper noun and that is qualified by an adjective like the great Alexander, the immortal Shakespeare. Next thing is we use article the before nouns which refer to persons, events, things that are already mentioned. Like I met an old lady in the market. The old lady asked for direction to the temple. Next is with compass direction also we use article the. Compass directions are written with capital letters when they designate definite regions, but not when they indicate direction or general location. If the compass direction follows a preposition or if it designates a definite region, then the article will be used, like the north, the south, the east. Next is before a noun representing only one particular thing by the reason of location, we use article the. Like mother is in the kitchen. Next rule is with names of oceans, seas, rivers and canals, we use article the. As article the is always used with water bodies. Like I would like to swim in the Red Sea and you. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. With the names of unique objects also we use article the. It means that only one of the object or thing that exists is one of a kind. Like the sun is a star. We looked up at all the stars in the sky. Next thing is before singular common nouns and adjectives of quality to mean the whole class. It means that we use article the before a singular common noun that shows adjective of quality and refers the whole class or group. Like the lion is a fierce animal. There is a huge divide between the rich and the poor. Next thing to keep in mind is that with uncountable nouns also we use article the. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count. Most of these nouns are not in a plural form. In these cases, we have to remember that if we are speaking about any uncountable noun, in general, we do not use article the. But in case we are speaking about something specific, then the article the will be used. Like, I like the bread, the milk and the honey. Next rule is with surnames. When we speak about the members of the same family collectively, the article the will be used before the surname. In this way, we designate a group of people or a family with one word. But remember that the surname must be in plural form. Like, the Smiths are coming for dinner today. Have you seen the Guptas recently? Next thing is, before the use of superlative degree of adjectives, we use article the. Like, this is the best book on grammar, which is the largest term in the word. Before ordinals also we use article the. Before the ordinals like first, last, fifth, we use article the. Example is Pratibha Patil is the first woman president of India. We use article the before the names of buildings, races, communities, ethnic groups, names of holy books, before the abbreviations, names of the inventions, etc. Like the Taj Mahal, the Hindus, the Indians, the Quran, the telescope. Children, the article is not used before proper nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns and names of the languages and the branches of knowledge. The is also not used with words like father, mother, uncle, etc. and also names of the games. Children, I hope you understand the indefinite and definite articles. Now I am giving you one exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate article. Here in this exercise you have to use a, an or the according to the sentences. You copy down these sentences and write the answer. That's all for today. Now the new chapter will be explained in the next video. Thank you.